You've been posting videos for months, maybe even years, but your views? They're flatlining. New subscribers? Barely trickling in. You start wondering if the algorithm is out to get you. But here's the reality. If you're not doing these critical things in 2024, your channel might be headed for disaster. Sounds harsh, right? But stick around, because I'm going to help you turn things around. In 2024, some channels are skyrocketing in growth while others, well, they disappear into the void. So, what's the difference? The answer is simple. Those successful creators are nailing down a few key strategies. Ready to find out what they are? Let's dive in. First up, if your views are stagnant or even dropping, don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to go through the exact steps you need to take to give your channel the boost it deserves. Problem number 1, poor viewer retention. In 2024, viewer experience is everything. The days of just posting random content are long gone. Today, it's all about keeping people engaged from the first second to the very last. Create content that hooks your audience immediately. Use attention-grabbing visuals, snappy edits, and most importantly, a story. Take your viewers on a journey. They should feel like they'll miss out if they click away. Each second should push them towards the next. Your videos don't need to be Hollywood-level productions, but they do need to be dynamic. Think of it this way, if you wouldn't sit through your own video, why should anyone else? Next issue, poor discoverability. You can make the best video in the world, but if no one can find it, what's the point? Here's what you need to do. Keywords are still key in 2024. But here's the twist, it's not just about stuffing your title with random words anymore. Instead, think in terms of search intent. What's your audience typing into the search bar? Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to discover what phrases your potential viewers are using. And don't stop there. Optimize your thumbnails to stand out visually: bold text, clean design, and faces that evoke emotion. Thumbnails are often the first impression, and they have to scream "click me." Let's face it, inconsistent uploads kill momentum faster than anything. If you're not regularly posting content, your channel could be buried. Here's your fix. Consistency is the name of the game. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, whatever your schedule, stick to it. The algorithm rewards consistency, and more importantly, so do your viewers. They need to know when to expect new content from you. Think of it as building trust. And over time, that trust translates into views and subscribers. Here's something a lot of creators overlook: engagement. Your community is your biggest asset. If you're just posting and ghosting, you're missing out on valuable connections that could help your channel grow. Spend time responding to comments, ask for feedback, and create videos around what your viewers actually want to see. Engagement isn't just about boosting your ego, it helps the algorithm see that your content is fostering a loyal and active community. More engagement equals more visibility. Lastly, in 2024, trends come and go faster than ever. If you're always late to the party, you could miss out on serious growth opportunities. Here's the trick. Yes, follow trends, but do it your way. Whether it's a viral TikTok challenge or the latest YouTube format, add your unique twist to it. Trends are important because they put you in the spotlight, but your personality and voice are what will keep people coming back. So, if your channel is struggling, don't panic. These steps: improving viewer experience, optimizing for search, staying consistent, engaging with your community, and tapping into trends, will put you on the path to success in 2024. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Growth takes time, but if you follow these strategies, you'll be well on your way. The creators who are thriving in 2024 are the ones who adapt. Will you be one of them? That's up to you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Fact Explorer and see you in the next video.